To turn on or off the private Wi-Fi address on your iPhone, follow these steps. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later, as this feature is only available on these versions. The private Wi-Fi address feature is designed to help protect your privacy when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. When this feature is enabled, your iPhone will use a unique, randomly generated MAC address for each Wi-Fi network you connect to, making it harder for others to track your online activities. To access this feature, go to your iPhone's Settings menu, scroll down and select Wi-Fi. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Tap on the information icon next to the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. On the Wi-Fi network details page, you will see the option to use a private address. If the option is turned on, your iPhone is using a private Wi-Fi address. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch to the off position. If you want to turn it back on, toggle the switch to the on position. It is essential to note that not all Wi-Fi networks support private addresses. If the Wi-Fi network you are trying to connect to does not support private addresses, you will see a message indicating that the feature is not available. Best practice is to leave the private Wi-Fi address feature turned on to protect your online privacy. However, if you are having trouble connecting to a specific Wi-Fi network, you may want to try turning off the private Wi-Fi address feature to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you can easily turn on or off the private Wi-Fi address feature on your iPhone, helping to protect your online privacy and security.